Hi dears, today on 7th of May 2022, we are on the way towards up mountains just to give the blissfulness of pure natural beauty to our eyes and soul. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and we are on the way towards our destination. Whatever you say, dears, but in my opinion, this natural beauty has no replacement. It snowed in the mountains last night, which has further increased the natural beauty of the mountains and the pastures. Avalanches haven't completely melted yet. This is a spring of very cold water which is called Kishwish Spring by the local inhabitants. Chitralgol, the national park, is behind those mountains. We found some edible mushrooms as well. The weather of the up mountains is very unpredictable. If it rains, then you will have to stay inside any cave, as we did today. Very attractive and tiny flowers are there, which will wither in 2 to 3 weeks. This is one of the points of nomadic life. These tiny flowers always refresh my tired mind and soul.